Hello everyone, this is the seventh video for our house events ASP.NET MVC application which we are building for our group ASP.NET MVC Code First. Okay, if you recall that previously we created our first basic view for to create actions for events, and currently and last time we added here a drop down list, but when we left this the previous session, this drop down list does not have look and feel like the other controls. So now we will finalize this one, and later today we will add a button like add new or save button here, and we will be using Bootstrap button for that one. Okay, so back to the code. I removed the extra divs from here and adjust a little bit of HTML markup. So this is the div which is responsible for our drop down list, and now we want to give it the same look and feel as like the other controls, and also I would like to have a blank item by default instead of new year selected automatically. How we can do that? It's really simple. That here in this new select list, we just need to put a comma, and if you see here, it is showing in IntelliSense selected value. So if I give this one a blank, so this will be the by default the selected value for my drop down list, and then press comma, and this one is here is the let me bring that one. Okay, here I will bring this one. This is comma and comma object HTML attribute. So here it will be the new anonymous attribute. So I will give here the new my Bootstrap class. So this will be the like other add class is equal to form control. Save, and now go to our page and just refresh this one, and let's see if it actually renders as per our expectations. Okay, so you see that, okay, this is the event type, and still I am getting the first item as a new year. I think I just need a small change here, that instead of new, the syntax is actually, I could have copied and pasted exact syntax, and yeah, but anyway. Okay, that works. So this is our event type. First item is by default is empty, and user is free to select anyone as per the choice. Okay, so moving on, now we will add a button here entitled save. So user will enter the data, click the save button, and that will actually save it into the database. So let's go back to our view. After the div, let me add here a button. Then type is equal to submit, and class. Okay, so we will be using the Bootstrap buttons, and every Bootstrap button has the starting btn class. And then for the secondary classes, actually we can specify the nature of button, and for this one, actually if you go there, CSS, and click here the buttons, and here are our buttons. So you can see here the use is very simple. There are different types of the Bootstrap buttons, and actually they could be customized, but we will be using the whatever is out of the box presented to us. So the default button, primary, success. So if you see here, we have different secondary Bootstrap classes, default, primary, success. So I will be using this btn default here. Okay, so or this primary, maybe this is more useful because it's actually for the primary actions. So let me use this one. So btn dash it's here, primary rows, and let me give it a name. Okay, so go back to our view, refresh it. Okay, so we got here our save buttons. Okay, so this was our basic view. It's just a skeleton. Currently it does not have any functionality or validation, which we will be adding in our new next videos. And yeah, that was it for today. And let me just check this in everything. So go to Team Explorer, pending changes, and here we have one view model added and some modifications here. And if you are you want to see the modifications what was earlier, then our current changes, just compare with workspace. Let's say the red line indicating that these were removed, and this green one is indicated that modified, changed, or added. So I'm fine with these ones. So let me check this in everything, and I will say here a comment that event. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.